Welcome back everyone. This is a new platform launched today. Name the platform TRXAPP. If you want to register in this platform, put your username there and your email there and your password there and click sign up. If you have account in this platform, directly click login everyone. After I click login, put your username there and your password and click login. Like we see everyone, this is my account in this platform. If you want to withdraw from there and if you want to deposit from there and if you want to know if about VIP from there. If you deposit from 50 TRX to 1001 TRX will they'll withdraw 6%, and if you deposit from this number they'll withdraw 7%, and if you deposit from this number to this number will they'll withdraw 10%, and there are VIP 10 with daily 35% everyone. You should deposit that. If you want to invite your friends from there, and if you want to know if about boxes, gift boxes from there, and this is Spain. I will show you boxes. If you deposit 200 TRX will get 1 box, and if you deposit 1500 TRX will get 2 box, and if you deposit 5000 TRX will get 3 box, and if you deposit 10,000 TRX will get 4 boxes everyone. I will deposit 200 TRX. What do you mean? I will go to deposit from there. After that you can see can deposit with TRX, Ethereum, BNB, USDT, TRC20 and Doge coin. I will choose TRX. Like we see minimum deposit 50 TRX everyone. I will write there 200 TRX, submit. After that you can see copy this address and go to any wallet, Trust Wallet or Binance Wallet and send the money to this address. After you send the money to this address, click submit. TRC20 network everyone. You can see this time we send the money. After I copy it, I will go to my Trust Wallet everyone. Like we see, I will choose TRX and click send. First, between 200, next, confirm. I'm waiting the money to arrive and show you. After I send the money, I will click submit. Submit successful. I will take the money to arrive in my account and show you. Like we see everyone, the money arriving. I will go to there. You can see I have 1 box. I will get open box. I win 5 TRX everyone. You can see I can withdraw my 5 TRX. And if you want to see income from there, like we see my income there in this. When the income there, I will click receive and withdraw it. Now I'll go to withdraw. I will put the amount there and my address was TRC20 and click submit within me. I will put the amount there 5 and there I will put my address wallet. After that I will click submit. The withdraw successful everyone. I will waiting the withdraw to arrive and show you. Like we see everyone, the withdraw successful and arrived to my wallet. You can see everyone. See the wallet and the time and the amount and the time. In 1 minute arrived to my wallet. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel to receive all new and stable platforms like the TRX and you will see all details in the description of the video everyone. Deposit and start earn money with me everyone. Good luck.